Welcome to One Susan Lane. Today, we're gonna do something a little different. This gorgeous house behind me does need a cosmetic makeover. So I brought my good friend and interior designer, Susie Coughlin, to give us some tips on what to do inside.
I'm excited, so let's go take a look.
Susie, it's so great to have you here. So here we are on the first floor, and I love this layout, but obviously we're seeing some updates needed. So what are some things you would suggest?
Chris, I love this house.
Oh.
So what I will say, being in Falmouth is a huge plus. This is a cosmetic makeover. This isn't a major renovation.
Great.
The good thing about this kitchen is everything is exactly where it needs to be. You get your new refrigerator, you've got your sink looking out to your backyard, your kids are playing.
Yep.
You know, really you could do paint, new hardware. You could install new cabinetry, although it's not necessary. New countertops. You've got a beautiful cabinetry over here.
Yep.
Backsplash, I think you call it a day.
Great.
Maybe need some new lighting though. But
So maybe not needing a full contractor, some of this stuff someone could do themselves if they have the time and the energy.
absolutely.
Great, awesome. All right, and then moving in, what about over here?
So the best part about this house is that it's already an open floor layout,
Okay.
which is ideal. That's what everybody's looking for.
Everybody wants.
So you're streamlining from the kitchen straight into your dining room. New light, table, chairs, and you're gonna go immediately into your living room.
Awesome, cool. This is really fun. I hope we get to do this again. So there are some ideas. Those are some thoughts. We would really love for you to come check out this house, One Susan Lane, live this weekend, open house on Sunday. Thank you so much for watching. Can't wait to show it to you. Thank you.
I like these.
Yeah, cue the leaves. Never shook your hand before.
I know, it's very strange. What do we think? Do we need to do it again?